You are going to love the 2020 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.